Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace fog lights on a Ford Explorer. First, gather your essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and your new fog light bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for your safety. You will access the fog light assembly from underneath the front bumper. Also, have a clean cloth ready to handle the new bulb, avoiding direct contact with the glass. Now, let's remove the old fog light. You'll need to locate the two 10mm bolts that secure the fog light housing in place. Once these are loosened, carefully unclip the electrical connector from the back of the fog light assembly. Be gentle to avoid damaging the wires. Then, you can gently pull the entire old fog light assembly out of its mounting bracket. Finally, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to remove it from the housing. With the old light out, it's time to install the new one. First, carefully insert the new fog light bulb into the housing, twisting it clockwise until it's securely in place. Next, connect the electrical harness to the new fog light bulb, ensuring a snug fit. Then, insert the entire new fog light assembly back into its opening. Finally, secure the new fog light housing by tightening the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier. Before you finish, perform some final checks. Turn on your vehicle and test the new fog lights to ensure they illuminate correctly. It's also a good idea to double-check all electrical connections and mounting bolts for tightness, ensuring everything is secure. For optimal performance and consistent brightness, consider replacing both fog lights at the same time. Remember to properly dispose of your old fog light bulbs and any packaging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.